Hello and welcome to another itculdesac.co.uk video. Today I'm going to look at making Windows 8 look a little bit more like Windows 7, so we're going to bring back the start menu, amongst other things. So first of all, when Windows 8 loads up, you load straight into the new Metro apps page here, this new start menu, instead of the old traditional desktop. So the first thing I do is disable this. Now with the new Windows 8.1 release coming out this year, Microsoft are redesigning Windows 8 so that you will be able to actually boot up to a different start screen, so you could boot up to the desktop with Windows 8.1, but for now we'll use a third-party program to do that for us. When Windows 8.1 is fully released later this year, I'll come back to this blog and redo the video using the Windows 8's own tools. So first things first, so web page. Now to get rid of the booting into the Metro start page, new start page, you need to download a free program from windir.com, and the program is Skip Metro Suite. Just extract the zip file. Select your version of Windows 8, so times 86 is the 32-bit version, and 64 is obviously the 64-bit version. Double click on the application. Ignore the smart screen, just tell it to run anyway. Yes. Here we go, is the Skip Metro Suite settings. So enable Skip Metro Suite. Skip Start Screen. Now we also have the options to remove the charms bars from the screen. So this we can disappear. Start one. I actually quite like them. I've got used to Windows 8 and using them, but if you're really trying to go back to a Windows 7 look and feel, then it's better to switch them all off, so we'll do that now. And just click Save Settings. That should be done. So that's the first step. The second step is to bring back the Windows start menu. Obviously we don't have. And that we can do with a free program from classicshell.net. I'll download that now. Ignore the adverts. Nearly there. Ignore the warning. So that seems to have jammed up into the Explorer. So the computer really doesn't want to run that. Tell it to run anyway. Click next. Accept the license terms. And just change the directory if you want to. There we go. I feel like Windows 8 is really putting up a fight here to avoid having the start menu put back on it. Okay. That's back. Then we have a start button. Click on it, and the first use box appears. Now we can choose our start menu design. Go Classic, XP, or Windows Vista /7, which I think is what we'll go with. And you can change any basic settings. Skin. Okay. And here we have the very familiar taskbar back, which is excellent. So everything's there, and everything's where you'd expect it to be. So administrative tools, there's all the programs that you're used to. Last but not least, if you've disabled the options to get back to the original start screen, then you're going to have no access to the new Windows 8 apps, which obviously you're going to want to have some access to, since some of those programs might be useful. So we can give ourselves access to those. Right click on the desktop, new, shortcut, the location of the item, which is that. I'll write that into the into my blog and into the comments on this video, so that you can copy it directly and save you typing it out. Click next. Name this, so we'll name it, I don't know, new Windows, new Win 8 apps. There we go. Finish. Open that up. And you see it gives us access to all the computer's applications, which include any of the new Windows 8 installed apps. So that's quite a handy little folder. And last thing, we'll just reset the machine. Let's see if we've got rid of those other bars. Shut down. Restart. Brilliant. I have to admit I have become actually completely used to Windows 8 now. Tried to use Windows 7 recently, and not having charms bars was really weird. I kept moving my mouse into the top right corner and expecting things to happen, and they didn't. So I am a convertee to the Windows 8 way, but for those of you that aren't, I imagine this would be a good application for businesses that want to upgrade to Windows 8, but don't want to retrain all their employees in how to use Windows 8. They can install these programs and basically have everything looking like Windows 7, so all their workers know what to do with the computer. So log in as before, and it should take us straight to the desktop. Nope. Yes. There we go. Had a brief view of the old start screen, but we are back. Just going to make the taskbar at the bottom permanent so it's not hidden. There we go, and charms are still active, so it shouldn't be, but we do have the start menu there. So perhaps we'll go in and try and redeactivate those charm bars. Downloads. Sweet. There we go. don't tick the boxes. Leave the boxes unticked if you want to disable the charm bars. Not very intuitive, but never mind. So there you have it. We're back on our desktop. We have a start button. We can access all our old folders that you're familiar with from Windows 7 and before. If we want to access any of our Windows 8 apps, we've got a way to do that. So you can still use all the new programs that Windows 8 provides, but in a more familiar setting. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you very much.